Hello everyone, welcome to myBillBook channel. Today I've got a big update for you on staff management and payroll feature. We have updated the entire staff management and payroll calculation, which brings you on the automatic calculation of the payroll. Isn't it amazing? Let me give you a walkthrough on this.
To see the new update under the staff attendance and payroll management, we'll click on staff attendance and payroll from the navigation bar and we'll be redirected to this dashboard. Here, let us see the attendance settings first. We'll click on the attendance setting button and this pop-up screen will open. The first setting here we have is enable daily attendance reminder. Here, from this drop-down list, you can select any time when you want to receive a daily attendance reminder. If you don't wish to receive any reminders, you can simply toggle off this button or on it as per you need. The second setting is mark present by default. If you enable this toggle button, all your staff will be marked present by default. The third setting is set up working hours in a shift. Under this setting, we get number of hours. This is the total number of hours you include in a day for your employees to work. You can click here and select the hours as per your business. The last setting is set up weekly offs. You can select any day from the week which you consider the weekly off day in your business. And then, as we are done with attendance settings, let's click on save. Now let's see what is under mark attendance. Previously we just had present and absent. Now we have a 3-dot menu here. When we'll click here, we'll see these options. The first one is half day. If you'll click here, your employee's attendance will be marked as half day and the salary will be in half for the day. The second is paid leave. You can click on paid leave and your employee will get the day's salary and a leave. The third one is week off. If your employee is taking a week off, then you can click here and give them a week off. The fourth one is add overtime. Now, this is an update where you can click on add overtime and this pop-up screen will open up. Now you can give your employee a overtime if they are working more than their shift. The overtime type is divided into two sections, hourly rate and fixed amount. If you want to pursue with the hourly rate, you have to select the number of hours they worked, for example 4, and here you get overtime rate where you can click here and select from the list where you want to give 1x salary, 1.5x salary, 2x salary, or you can click on custom rate and enter the rate per hour. The second is fixed amount. You can click here and enter any overtime amount, for example 1000 rupees. Under the fixed amount, the time doesn't matter. Whatever extended time the employee will work, they'll get this fixed amount. Now let us click on save. Now let's select an employee, and here on the employee profile we have 4 tabs. The first one is attendance. You can track the date and the attendance of your employee on this page. Plus you can see the numbers of present, absent, half day, paid leaves, weekly offs. Also we have the date here. Also we have the month here. You can toggle between months. The next thing is payroll. You can click here and see the payroll details of the employee. The next one is transactions. Under the transactions you get 2 filters, date range and payment type. You can select any date range as per your requirement, and under payment type you can see salary, bonus, advance payment and loan. Also if you wish to see all the types, you can click on all types. The next one is details. Under this you can see the employee details. Now we have a make payment button. Once we click on it, this pop-up screen will show up. The first thing here is payment type. We can select from the drop-down list whether we are making a payment of salary, bonus, advance payment or giving the employee a loan. Next we have date. Then we can enter the amount If you wish to add remarks, you can add remarks here. Now let's click on save. The next thing we have with make payment button is a drop down button. Once we click on it, we'll see this collect payment. Once we'll click on the collect payment button, this pop-up screen will show up. You can track the record from here. The last thing is download salary slip. Once you'll click here, you'll get this date range. You have to select the month from the following list, and then you have to click on download. Here your salary slip will be downloaded in PDF format. Now as we have made the payment, we can click on expenses and see our payment under the category of employee salaries and advances. Once we click on it, we can see the expense category, payment mode, date, item name as employee salary, quantity, rate and total amount. Since we haven't entered any remarks, so notes is showing as nil.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. To know more about the new features of myBillBook, you can right click here. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.